If you think you've witnessed something terrible, I mean, look at the sky. It doesn't look clear, but it is clear. It's like pink in the sky. And look at me. This is terrible. 1 minute from another, I went outside. Sunny, wonderful weather. And all of a sudden, this pouring rain just kept falling down. Look, I'm all wet and everything. My hair is all messed up. Oh my god, I can't believe it. From like 1 minute to another. Can you believe it? Like the weather just can change like that. Have you ever witnessed a twisted rainfall while there was sunshine on the other side? I have, in London. And it was kind of funny because on the other side it was like sunny and warm, and the other side raining. Crazy. Anyway, how is your weather? Comment on the section below. Have a wonderful night or whatever. Kisses and tell. Bye.